Welcome to Waving Waves. This presentation is going to be purely based on waves, the different type of waves, etc., etc. First, we have the electromagnetic spectrum. On the left, we have the longest wavelength and the lowest frequency. On the right, there's the shortest wavelength and the highest frequency. Radio waves to gamma rays. Waves such as microwaves are used to transfer data. X-rays, you can use it to see through skin and see the bones, etc., etc. Ultraviolet rays, you can use them to sterilize food and surgical equipment. Infrared is for others. Properties of waves. Waves are the transferring of energy from place to place without transferring matter. There are two types of waves. They are transverse and longitudinal waves. Transverse waves, or oscillates, are right angles across the direction of which the energy a wave is moving. When a water droplet hits the surface of a pool, as an example, you can see this over here and the example over here. And now we have longitudinal waves. Longitudinal waves travel along the direction of the wave or energy. An example of this are sound waves, as you can see here. So the parts of a wave. The tops of the waves are crests. This is the direction of travel. This is the trough. Trough is always at the bottom, crest is always at the top. This is one wavelength, and then the amplitude. Speed, frequency, and wavelengths. The formula of speed, frequency, and the wavelength is wave speed equals frequency times wavelength, or abbreviated as this formula. Frequency and time period. The formula is frequency equals 1 over t. You can make this into a triangle to make this much easier. So pitch and frequency. Sound waves with a high frequency are heard as notes with a high pitch and vice versa. Frequency is the number of complete vibrations made each second. This is measured in hertz, Hz. If a source has a high frequency of 50 Hz, this means that it vibrates 50 times each second, and therefore 50 waves are produced each second. Formula for frequency is frequency, or FHC, equals 1 divided by the time period. And as you can see, here are some examples. And I believe that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you, like, comment, and subscribe.